Good morning. Weather looks like it's still going to hold out for me this morning, which is a happy days. Just had a lovely stay at the, Gwestry Minford Hotel. I had to take a picture of the name of it because I couldn't pronounce it. So the Gwestry Minford Hotel. Gordon, the landlord, lovely bloke. Old boy, just been diagnosed as being blind, or legally blind, so he's not allowed to drive anymore. Wasn't very happy about that, but still good spirits. So anyway, not sure where I'm off to today. I think I'm going to head towards Bala. I think there's a mountain pass near Bala. I'm going to go and do that, and then see where we go from there. So let's get going. Still can't get over there, how the clouds roll over the top of the mountains like that. Looks awesome. These twisty little roads in between them. Oh. Paradise. Cold, but paradise. Look at this one. Windy cliff edge road. Lovelies. Lovely. Bwich Ordrews. The pass also served as a lookout post and refuge for the Gwylliaid or raiders. One particular place was known as Leti Ladron, the Thieves' Cauldron. These bandits roamed over these remote landscapes 3 centuries ago. Who says you can't learn history on a bike ride? Well, what a beautiful, beautiful place. Proper moody. Just imagine Frodo and the rest of the cast of the Lord of the Rings just running down that valley, chased by orcs, up in them there mountains, on their way to Mordor. Proper moody. I love it. And then we've come along and put this epic little road in for us to come enjoy on motorcycles. Yeehaw! I feel a bit better today. Yesterday I didn't feel, I felt a bit, nah. I enjoyed it, but just didn't gel with it. But today, even though it's a bit more overcast and just dull, I'm in a better mood. Yeah, weird. But that's what the weekend was for, to try and relax. It's one thing I did learn from that Spanish trip, is amazing as it was to wind down for 10 days, and don't get me wrong, I did wind down, it was epic. But within a week of being back home, work and everything else, stress levels just shot straight back up. So I think I'm realising that, I don't know, every couple of months, a bit of a weekend away like this, just somewhere in the UK, Yorkshire, Wales, Scotland, just get away and recharge the batteries. And I think that's what we need. When you've got busy lives, just get away and enjoy yourselves. Find somewhere good, and have a break. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the views. Come on, mate. Go on, in you go. Find somewhere to go. Come on. You're getting further away. Come on. Look at where I am. Beautiful. Has he gone? There you are. Well done. Stay, 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 stay. You dickhead. Stay over that side. That's it, in there. Good. Hold on. Just look at that. What an amazing little road. Can't imagine many people come this way, even though a car's just passed me. Look at it, just down there. Just down the side of the mountain. This is awesome. These are the roads that you don't see very often. You've got to come to places like this to find them. You imagine them in foreign countries, obviously around the big mountains and stuff, but not really in the UK. And yeah, a few hours, or 2 or 3 hours of drive away from home, you're doing these little mountain passes, these mountain roads, and they're pretty cool. And you get these views as well. Alright, it's not 30 degrees, bright blue skies, but I'm not cold at all. This Gore-Tex gear, I had this what, 3 or 4 years. It's brilliant, really. I was thinking of changing it this year, but it's done everything I want it to do. I've not tested it in the rain yet. I might be doing that on the way home. But yeah, it's comfy enough, warm enough. No need to change. But just this little road looks awesome. I thought fancying a car. I don't think I've seen a passing place yet. But on this, perfect. Here comes the rain. Let's see how far we can get before it gets too wet for the cameras. Hopefully it won't rain too hard. If we just get a bit of a drizzle, I'll leave the cameras on. But if it starts getting torrential, yeah, they're going in the bag, unfortunately. Okay, let's have 5 minutes. The reservoir, lake, whatever you want to call it. A big body of water. Then I think I'm going to check the weather. If it's giving out rain for the rest of the day, I think we'll head home. As nice as it is around here, I don't fancy doing it when it's chucking it down. But it's been good. Just pulled up to get a bit of shelter. Looks like the rain's setting in, so not looking great. I might do a few more roads, but then I think pretty much I'm going to start heading back home. So yeah, it's been a good couple of days. Yesterday no rain at all, which I was surprised about, but today I think it's starting now. From what it says on the weather app, it's going to be most of the day. So yeah, let's a few more roads. Even the ride home's a pretty nice ride, so it'll still be pretty cool, and just chill out. And then it still gives me a Sunday off. If you can think about anything else you want on these videos, because I've noticed I'm looking at the age of people watching these videos, and it's ranging between 45 and 65, which is fine because that's my age group. But I want to see if I can put something towards the younger people, to get the younger people watching the videos. I guess I've got to put a bit more fun in here, and yeah, more approachable for the younger audience. If you can think of anything, if you can let me know in the comments, that'd be great. And yeah, but thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy the rest of the ride home. Well, the rain stopped now, so camera's back on. I'll record the last hour or so in Wales. Hey, they look like good green lanes up there. Get the KTM's out. We definitely do need to come back to Wales on the KTM's. A bit more green laning. For now, let's enjoy the roads. They ain't bad either. Well, that's me now leaving Wales towards Wrexham. Another good weekend on the bike. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, you know what to do. Try and help me grow this channel a bit more. Trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. About 370 something now, so I've got about another 80 over the last few weeks, which is nice. Yeah, if you can help me along and get subscribing, that'd be great. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.